Today I will show you how to make an inch-thick, densely packed cha-om omelette. A warning though, this veggie's got a bad case of BO. But just like durian, once you get over the smell, you will totally fall in love with it.